Today we're going to be performing a oil change on a 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with the 6.6 Duramax. The tools you're going to need will be a filter wrench. I prefer this kind. You can pick those up at any auto parts store. A 16 millimeter socket or wrench. I'm going to be using a Mobil 1 M1303 oil filter, and you'll need 10 quarts or 2.5 gallons of Mobil Delvac 1300 Super 15W40. Okay, here we are underneath the truck. One helpful tip is to place this piece of cardboard here, and it will keep oil from getting on top of your skid plate. Remove this 16 millimeter bolt, and it drain the oil into your bucket or pan. As you can see, I've already drained the majority of the oil. After you've drained all your oil out, when you've put your oil drain plug back in, use your 16 millimeter wrench and tighten it up. Okay, now we're going to remove our oil filter, and we are just to the left of our oil drain plug and up. Take our oil filter wrench, twist it off, Once you've gotten this filter about 3/4 of the way full, take some of the oil and put it here on this O-ring, and that will help it seal off and lubricate the O-ring while you're spinning it on. Place your new oil filter on the stud. Tighten it down. Once you feel it's made contact, go about 3/4 of a turn, and then just hand tight's all you need. Next, we'll remove the oil fill cap. Place in our funnel. And this is where we'll pour in our 10 quarts or 2.5 gallons. Mine normally at about 9.5 quarts. I check it and it's usually good, and I sometimes don't put that full 10 quarts in there. It's not necessary, so check yours. Yours may take the full 10 quarts. It may only need 9.5.